So this is one advice I want to give to single mothers. And I really want you to listen to this, single mothers. First of all, I want to say, may Allah make your affairs easy for you. Okay? May Allah make your affairs easy. There's something I want to tell you, sisters. Please. This is something I've seen over the years repeat itself so much. And I'm going to talk to you guys from the bottom of my heart. And it's a concern I've had and a problem I've seen come back again and again. So a sister is married to the brother. Okay, and if it doesn't work out for whatever reason, whoever's wrong or right is not the point I'm focusing on. The marriage ends. Okay, now that the marriage has ended, the sister, she finds herself another brother. Okay, she finds herself another brother. A lot of the times this issue occurs, which is the sister becomes connected and attached to the new brother that she's going to get married to, and she abandons her children for the marriage that she's in. And this man is only interested in the woman. He's only interested in the woman. He says, look, these kids are not my kids, they're somebody else's kids. So he's only interested in the sister. And the sister becomes very emotionally connected to the brother. Okay, sisters, please listen to this. I've seen this reoccur so many times. And it's a problem that I only wish Allah gave me the knowledge to know the solution for. I wish I knew the solution for it. So the sister becomes emotionally invested to this new husband of hers. Maybe he treats her nice, he loves her, he cares for her, he takes care of her. But he doesn't want anything to do with her current children. So she thinks, okay, you know what, I'm a divorcee, I've got kids. If that's the situation, who else is going to get married to me? I have the best husband here. So she kind of abandons her children. The children, they grow with animosity towards their mother and also to the brother. And those kids, they hit the streets. The previous father, he's not either in the picture, or he is. He is. So if he's in the picture, he uses these children to try to get at the mother. So he tells the children, if ever this new man she's married to ever tells you guys to do anything, just let me know. Okay, I'll deal with him. So even if the new husband that she's married to tries to do tarbiyah of these children for her, he can't, because the ex-husband is giving her a hard time. He's like, oh, did he look at you guys? He comes into the house storming, fiasco, khilaf and issues. Sisters, the problem is very deep. Very deep. And so you tend to see that sister, she has other children for that new husband that she got married to. So she has half kids now. And then now that half kids, they get different treatings. Because the new husband is like, I'm going to treat my children special. So he's buying only his children something, and he doesn't buy these other kids anything. So, wallahi, my heart cries, wallahi, when I think about these situations, how it reoccurs, and I hear about it, and I see it, it breaks my heart. It really breaks my heart. And I honestly can only say the following things. I don't have the answers to all of these points. But all I can say is, sister, and also brother, try your best to always rectify your marriages. Don't make divorces. The minute there's a khilaf, a little khilaf, or even there's brothers and sisters, learn the concept of endurance. Have quwwah of holding the matter together. Don't just run to that. Think about it deeply, about your children and their future. Brother, don't forsake this mother with these children by herself. Fear Allah. Sister, fear Allah in leaving this brother and not wanting to be with him and going to another one. And everyone here should remember, what about the children in this whole equation? Where are the children in this whole equation? Think and ponder. The children are getting confused and they're getting lost. There's a generation of children that are coming out. Only Allah knows their reality. Wallahi, scary. Wallahi, the jails are filled with Muslims. It's scary. Filled with our Muslim brothers and sisters. Do we want more people to go into prison from all of this? Our Muslim brothers and sisters, Muhammad and Khalid and Amr and Zayd and Bakr, are killing each other on the streets of London, or the streets of America or Canada and all of these places. Brothers, look at your wife in the eyes, Look at your children in the eyes and realize, we may not agree on everything. We may not agree on everything. But we need to hold hands in this time of fitan and malahim. I grew up my own household with different values in life. And sister, you grew up in your household with certain values and things that you saw. Some of which are not textually based, but it's culture. And some of these things are my culture. How about we compromise on those things we can? We come to a common ground. And we work towards nurturing these children. We work together. وَمَتَى يَبْلُغُ الْبُنْيَانُ تَمَامَهُ إِذَا كُنْتَ تَبْنِيهِ وَغَيْرُكَ يَهْدِمُهُ. When is the building going to reach a high level? Okay? If you're building it and somebody's taking the bricks out from the bottom, and you're building it and you realize, but oh, bricks are being taken out. Your wife's taking the bricks out, or the husband's taking the bricks out. When is the building going to reach its level? Any brothers, wallahi, brothers, fear Allah in your children. Fear Allah. 𝗪𝗓𝗔𝗍𝗪, you'll be asked. Sisters, protect your marriages. Don't be a reason for the marriage to collapse. Brothers, don't just divorce the sister because of two little issues that occurred. Every divorce that happens, the children become affected one way or another. They become unaffected. إِلَّا مَا رَحِمَ رَبِّي, except those Allah have mercy upon. To avoid divorce. Especially avoid divorce in the lands of the non-Muslims. Avoid them. Look at the bulk of the people that you're looking at right now on the streets of London. The bulk of them are coming from broken houses. Broken houses. Wallahi, brothers and sisters, I wish sometimes that I could just sit down and just read my inbox with the emails that I get. What this person sent me, this person said to me, family members, people I see every day. It's heartbreaking, wallahi. Just your children, your family, your wife. No one's perfect. The husband is not perfect. The wife is not perfect. Wallahi, there is, sister, no one is perfect. No one, عَلَى وَجْهِ الْأَرْضِ, is perfect. Your husband is going to do silly things. We've done silly things in our life. Mistakes and shortcomings occur from us. My wife has to tolerate those mistakes and my silly actions. I have to tolerate her mistakes. And we have children. We have to look after these children. We have to nurture these children together. Every time I speak to brothers, I say, Akhi, fear Allah in divorce. Take it easy. Relax, take it easy. Give it time. Okay, take a separation for a little bit if it's very heated. But divorce, don't hesitate, don't run to that. Because, trust me, sister, you can find a brother that's going to want you and love you. And the brother's going to find a sister that's going to want and love him at the end of this issue. Both of you can find it. But what about these children? Who are they going to find a mother and a father from now? You've gone this direction and you went this direction. Where are they now? So I don't have the answers to all these questions. I don't have an answer to this matter deeply. But I only say, in the beginning, look at who you marry. Once you get married, take it like a man. Sister, take it. He's not perfect. He's going to let you down on certain things. He's going to hurt you in certain things than your husband. To hold it together. And this is even more serious in the lands of the non-Muslims. Wallahu a'la wa a'lam.